Swagbucks is one of the most well-known cashback websites out there. If you haven't heard of it, it allows users to earn points by completing simple tasks like shopping online, answering surveys, watching videos, and even searching the web. These points, known as SB, can be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's a flexible platform that can easily fit into your daily routine. But is it really worth your time? Let's break it down. When you sign up, the first thing you'll notice is that Swagbucks has a wide range of options for earning. Whether you're looking to shop online or complete surveys, there are plenty of ways to rack up points. Some of the biggest opportunities for earning come from online shopping at major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Swagbucks partners with these stores, and you get cashback in the form of points for each purchase. This is especially helpful if you're someone who shops online regularly, as you can earn points just by doing what you already do. However, while the shopping rewards are one of the strongest features of Swagbucks, the surveys and other tasks are a bit hit or miss. The surveys can take anywhere from a few minutes to over an hour, and the pay varies accordingly. One issue I've encountered is that many surveys are disqualified before completion, which can be frustrating after investing time. The reward for surveys, though, is often pretty decent, especially when compared to other survey sites. Swagbucks also offers opportunities to watch short video clips or complete special, daily goals for extra points. These features are easy to complete and can be a fun way to pass the time, though the payout for them is relatively small. Still, if you're consistent, you can rack up a decent amount of points over time. One of the standout features of Swagbucks is its sign-up bonus. When you first join, you can earn a decent number of points just for completing a few simple tasks. This can be a nice incentive to get started, but don't expect to get rich quick. The reality is that to earn a significant amount, you'll need to commit to using Swagbucks regularly. Another thing to consider is the redemption process. Swagbucks allows you to redeem your points for gift cards or PayPal cash. The gift cards are available for a wide range of popular retailers, making it a versatile option for shoppers. PayPal cash is probably the most convenient option, but keep in mind that the value of your points isn't always a direct one-to-one exchange with actual money. For example, 1,000 points might be worth a $10 gift card, which is a decent conversion rate, but it takes time to accumulate that many points. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, Swagbucks is a legitimate way to earn cashback and rewards online, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're looking to make some extra pocket money or save on purchases you are already planning to make, it's definitely worth checking out. Just remember, the key to success with Swagbucks is consistency and a bit of patience. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews and tips on earning cashback online.